Mama ko ka.
Library. You want Mati? Mati, you want? You say your mommy.
Did you cut your hair? You want to be bald? You don't have hair? And you will have only
Duko dong. Mati, you call your mom. You want ano?
haircut.
Haircut.
Hey, mommy, shake I am joking.
I am joking.
Ang gali ba magpakalbo?
It is a metaphor for
Ikaw, kalbo. Alam mo ka?
which means a negative of sharing
You want to
will
cut
have
your
a
hair?
positive aspect. Okay. I will relate
No.
to you
Haircut na lang ko?
Haircut?
My hair!
During sa Manila ako nag-work. Okay. So, feeling nila, during the time, it was April, month of April, di ba mo nang Diyos, Ginoo, Easter Sunday. Feeling nila, matanaw kita, sini. Actually, mga upod ko,
Army
sa
cut.
office, all agencies, their boxes, I think, only two. Then sila na matanaw ta about Christ na gift. So, sa akong nga isip, hindi ko man, sugot, although ako lang ang responsible.
Maingay.
So, in short, matabo, piling ko, kung matanaw ka mo sini, sino balik na, or sino naka-experience ko ni matanaw
You ano, put.
sa mga pamatanaw? Wala ko. Sino? Sinihan. So, sino?
Ako po na.
Naka-adin ako.
Thank you, Mati.
Okay, so sila naka-adin. So, wala
Hi,
na. According to
Uy!
them,
Uy, luoy kayo si Mati.
ha? Daw,
What happened to your
then may dako nga tilon in front.
Ah,